Hey ladies, welcome back. If you are new here, my name is Victoria, and today we are doing a try on and unboxing with one of our favorite wig companies, that is LUVME Hair. And I'm going to show you from start to finish how to install this wig both with and without adhesives. This is such a great wig. I love it so much. But I'm gonna stop talking and go ahead and get into the video so y'all can learn more about this lovely wig. Hi. Alright, so here is the wig for today. I'm going to unbox it on camera. I've already taken off the little ribbon, but I'm going to unbox it on camera so you can see how it comes straight out of the box. This is what the packaging looks like. I did have another wig and I got them confused, so that's why you see the sticker removed, but I have not touched the wig at all. It is exactly how it was in the box. Okay. Alright, so here is the wig. And I'm loving the color already. Alright, here's everything that comes in the packaging. They give you a mesh storage bag to store your wigs in, a label card in case you decide to store the wig in the box. It's a really cute custom beauty sponge, a custom hair clip, a custom satin bonnet, some brown HD wig caps, and a cute little thank you card. Alright, so here is what the wig looks like straight out of the box. I'm super excited. I'm super excited about this wig. Look at those curls. I love curls like this. Alright, so this wig is glueless optional, depending on your level of wig expertise. Now, if you're good at laying your lace without having to use any adhesives, then this wig could be a great glueless or wear and go option. But if you have not gotten to that level yet, don't worry, you can still wear it without glue. You can use what I'm going to show you in this video, some lace melting spray or some hairspray. But here is the cap construction. It does include a 13x4 frontal that is ear to ear lace, y'all. And it does come with that new flexi cap. So if you are a big headed girl, you're gonna have plenty of room, nothing to worry about. There is one comb at the back. There are still adjustable straps. There is an adjustable elastic band. And this elastic band does come attached, so you do not have to worry about it sliding off. And there are two combs on the sides. Now, in typical LUVME Hair fashion, this wig does come with pre-cut lace, pre-cut HD lace. Check that out. It also comes pre-cut, pre-plucked, pre-bleached, and pre-parted. Everything you need. Now I'm going to go ahead and adjust the straps and tighten the elastic band and show you how it looks straight out of the box without doing any manipulation to the lace or the hairline. Okay, so this is what the lace looks like with no manipulation. Don't be frightened. Okay. We can fix this. It's not that big of a deal. I am going to tint the lace using my Ebon Lace Tint Spray in the shade medium dark brown. And then on top of the lace, I'm going to go in with my Nika K contour powder from this Nika K contour bronzer duo kit. Alright, so now that that's dry, I'm gonna go ahead and pop this bad boy on. Okay, now I'm gonna add some more makeup on top of the lace. Alright, so I have the combs in place. Now, the only issue I have with this wig, which I kind of figured because I always sort of have this issue, is that the ear tabs go over my ears. And that usually happens because I have a smaller head and I also have really tiny ears. So what I am going to do is I'm going to cut a little slit right here so it can just go right on over my ears, and I'm going to do that on both sides. Right here, see right here where... And doing the same on this side. And now, after doing that, you could wear this wig as is like that if you're not concerned about the ear tabs being completely down. Okay, you could wear it like this. Well, not like this. Obviously, you want to brush it out. But I'm saying glueless, you could wear it like this. It's actually pretty secure. I don't have to worry about it slipping and sliding. It's pretty secure and snug to my head. Now, if you want it to look super natural, you are going to want to lay the lace, and I'm going to show you how to quickly do that without using any glue. First, you want to pin the hair up on the sides and make sure that all of the hair is like out of the way and away from the edge of the lace. Which that can be hard because when you have a lace, it's good. Sometimes it's like, where is the hair and where is the lace? Alright, now I like to take some lace melting spray. The one that I currently have is the Evan New York Wonder Lace Bond Lace Melting Spray. This stuff is actually pretty good. Alright, and then you want to, especially if you're a beginner, work in small sections, okay? I am going to start with this side. Basically going to spray that, let it sit. It's gonna get really tacky. Now, ideally, you could speed up this process using a blow dryer on cool heat. Alright, now we have this side kind of down, and now what I'm gonna do this off camera because I need to go grab my edge band, but I'm going to spray this all along the perimeter, and then I'm going to lay down my edge band and let it melt. Okay, I have my edge band on. Please disregard the messiness. I've had this for a while and I clearly use it. Okay, now while that is melting, I'm going to go ahead and comb out the curls. Pro tip, when I'm combing out curls, I like to comb them sort of the opposite way in which they're curled. That way I don't lose any volume. Because if you didn't know by now, I love voluminous hair. I do feel like the curls on the side are a little flat, so I'm going to use some of my hairspray. This one is from TRESemmé, and I'm going to spray it on the roots and tease it a bit to give it a bit more volume. Alright, I think the band is ready to come off. Alright, so now the lace is pretty much laid, and I actually love this updo style. This would be a great way to wear this wig. That's not what you came in for. Let me show you what the wig really looks like. Alright, so here is all the hair down, combed out, and sprayed with some hairspray. I really love this color. Who said black girls can't wear blonde hair? Alright, let me show you what it looks like from the back. Now this is a frontal wig, so you can part it basically anywhere. So it's parted over here on the left. You can part it straight down the middle. You can even do a really deep side part, and that applies to both sides. You can do an updo, you can do half up, half down. There are so many different hairstyles that you could achieve with this wig. I think this wig is a great option for various levels of wig wearers, whether you are a beginner or you are a pro. I think this wig would be a wonderful option. Like I showed you in the beginning, you can potentially wear it glueless if you are not concerned about wearing it with the ear tabs laid down. But if you are picky and you want your wig to look super realistic, you can glue it or lay it down with some lace melting spray like I use. So that's pretty much it for this video. I absolutely love this wig. I love a blonde wig, especially ash blonde. Ash blonde hair looks so good on dark skinned women. And I know a lot of black women are a little afraid of experimenting with blonde hair or colored hair in general, but if you ask me, ash blonde is the perfect blonde to start with if you're looking to try blonde hair for the first time. 613 can be very scary. It's very like platinum and it's a little brassy and yellow, and most of the time it's not that flattering on brown skinned women, but ash blonde is very cool toned. It's platinum, but it's also subtle at the same time, and it gives this perfect contrast, but it's also very complimentary to women of color. If you've never tried blonde hair before, I encourage you to try this wig out. The color is amazing. I love the dark roots. The ombre is done beautifully. The curls, of course, are beautiful. This length specifically, I think is great for beginner wearers, or if you prefer a wig that is more low maintenance because it's not a lot of hair to have to maintain. You get a full frontal with this unit, so you can part it anywhere you want. You have the option of wearing a glueless, but you can also glue it down. It comes with that adjustable stretchy flex fit cap, so it's perfect for all head size shapes. It comes with combs and adjustable straps, so you do not have to worry about it being unsecure. I had a lot of really good things to say about this wig. I hope it encourages you to try it. Maybe step out of your comfort zone and not be afraid to try some color, okay? Don't be afraid to have a little fun with blonde hair. If you are interested in purchasing this wig specifically, the direct link will be down in the description box below. And while you're browsing the LUVME Hair website, if you decide to make any purchases, feel free to use our custom coupon code. I'll leave it right here on the screen. If you use this coupon code, you can save 28% at your checkout, and you can use it on all orders. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and a share. Don't forget to subscribe to the Soulful Shenanigans channel for more videos and content like this. But that is all I have for you today. Thank you so much for watching this video all the way through to the end, and I can't wait to see you in the next one.